That's all I can say about that. Hey guys, it's day 11. Time to pull a prompt. It is nighttime. I know if you're thinking, say, what? You don't art at night. You're right. Not usually. So today's odd, but we're going to try and pull a simple one because I don't have a lot of time. Let's see what it says. Finish one small piece of art that you never finished. Okay, I don't have time for that, so we'll have to pull another one. Okay, so let's try again so we hopefully will get something a little easier because I don't have a whole lot of time to create. I think I grabbed 2. Oh, I can't do this without looking and without... Okay, use oil pastels. Okay, we can do that. So let me put this one back and get my stuff and we'll get started. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna use this as my substrate. This is gonna be my canvas. It is an old piece of packaging from a burlap canvas, a 6x6 that I did a long time ago. Well, last year at Easter, I think. And I keep stuff like this in my little bag for making tags and things like that. So I'm gonna use this side. I can always cover this with paper later or leave it open, but I like this side. And I've got my oil pastels out. This is just an oil pastel kit that I got from Hobby Lobby years ago, probably in 2011. And it was $5.99 at the time. It's probably more by now, but I love this set. And I have paint out on my mat here. I've got 3 colors. One's Folk Art Bayberry, one is Folk Art Patina, and one is Folk Art Sunflower. And I really don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put some paint down on here because I want some color down before I use these. And I'm using an old brush. This is just one of those cheapy brushes that comes in one of those kits you get at Michael's or Hobby Lobby for kids. And these are the ones I have a separate little set over there that my grandchildren use. And I just pulled this out because it's all bristly and I like the texture and I'm just going to use it just for fun. So I'm first going to put down the 2 colors here, the green and the turquoise or patina colors first. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. Okay, I'm going to dry this and then I'm going to add more. I want to put down more paint, and what I should have done is put down a white layer first so that the colors would stand out better, but I didn't, so it went straight on to the cardboard, and well, it's not cardboard, the packaging, and so the colors are kind of muted. So I just want to put another coat on, and I'm going to use more of the patina than the green this time. Okay, I want to dry that again, and then we'll get back to it. Okay, I didn't dry it. I was cleaning off the excess green onto my tag, and then I got yellow on it by accident. And I thought, I'm just going to go ahead and add some yellow while this is a little bit wet with my finger. And then I'll come in maybe with another color and do the little stenciling. I don't know. I can't decide. So for now, this is what we're doing. I'm going to dry this now. What I am going to do is, like I always like to do, is take a little white paint or gesso and put some white on my piece. And sometimes I scrape it, sometimes I dab it. I'm going to see how I feel about it, dabbing it first, just making lines. I may change and do some scraping. I like that. I like the lines. I'm gonna let this dry. Let me show you up close because I know it's kind of glary. It's just not any sunlight coming in. And I'm just using these big lights. It's kind of dry, mostly dry, so it might smear a little bit, but you know, that's how it goes. I'm just going to take some different colors. There's no way to tell you the color because there's no colors on here. So just, you know, if you're playing with oil pastels, just use whatever colors you want to play with, and that's all I can say about that because I have no way of telling you what I'm using. But I'm just picking some colors out, and I'm going to play on the canvas a little bit, just putting some more color like in the corners and different areas, and then we'll come back in and alter that a little bit. Okay, one thing I like to do is, these are hard to move around. They can be smudged a little bit, but I like to heat it up a little and then rub it with my finger, and it spreads so much nicer. Just don't burn yourself. Don't heat it up too much. Okay, I'm not sure what else I want to do to this, but I know that I think I want to use a white pen, and you cannot use a white pen on top of this, so I'm going to put a very light coat of Liquitex Matte Medium. You can use Mod Podge if you want to. Use whatever you feel comfortable using that you will be able to write on top of after you're done. But I just want a clear coat of something so that I can use my pen, and then we'll see if we want to add anything else. So I'm just going to lightly run a coat across it. I'm going to dry that, and we'll be back. Okay, I think it's dry enough. If not, oh well. I'm just going to take my Sharpie poster paint pen. It's white. It's got a fine tip, and I'm going to write in here, and I think I'm going to follow this line here and just write in there. Let me show you close up. I should have waited for it to dry a little more, but it still went through okay. And I got one more thing I want to do. Okay, I want to tell you what I was going to do, but you're not going to see me do it because I'm not going to take the camera over to my sewing machine, but I'm going to take a little strip of fabric that I've got here, and I'm going to bunch it up and sew it across the top. And then I'll be right back. Okay, I stood up to do this and it went crooked, which is fine with me. I think it's really cute that way. So I'm leaving strings and I'm leaving raw edges, and it's crooked and I love it. So I'm leaving it. And the last thing I want to do is I took some black paint and added some water to it, made it real soupy. And like we did in another video, we're just going to put some black blotches. I want to put a really dark one down here. Maybe more water. Not really soupy. I want it to fall off practically. But it's not. There we go. Okay, and then maybe just a few up and around here. Oh, I love it. Okay, we're done. Got all this black paint I can't use, so I'll put it on my starter tags. Let me show you a close-up of this. It's not dry, so it'll have to dry overnight. But this is really cute, and it'll look cute in whatever we're going to make at the end of the project. So hope you had fun, and I hope you play with your pastels. And if you don't have pastels, use crayons or markers or whatever. Use paint. You don't have to stick with the prompt that I'm using. You can choose anything you want, okay? So I hope you have a great afternoon or evening now, and I will see you for day 12 tomorrow. Bye-bye.